The conference has been awesome. Location is awesome. A lot of great speakers. I've been able to take away a couple of pages worth of notes of just the new things that I really concentrated on the X4 and a lot of the things that are happening now with X4. It's been nice to see that. It's been nice to see how other people are able to leverage eMaint and what they're doing and their thought process. And even if it's something that we might not necessarily be able to leverage it, we can always change our thought processes and see, I see where he's going with that. Maybe this is how we ought to be thinking. So it really gets you excited to go back and make some of these changes and you know, tell more people in the company how we could, you know, leverage it. I hope I get to go to Xcelerate 2026. I would definitely recommend people going to it. Everything, you think we have all the solutions we need, and then you go somewhere and you're like, that would definitely make my life a lot easier. You know, and it's constantly, you have a whole network of people constantly trying to work for better solutions. So instead of, you don't necessarily have to come up with the solution yourself, you can steal it from others, you know, in a way to stay it.